Hello praisers and savers, my name is Sandy and welcome back to my channel. Today is November the 20th and we are headed into CVS for some deals. Now, all of these deals that you see can be done just with your phone, no paper coupons needed. There is a printable breakdown in the description box that you may use, or you can just pull it up on your phone. Please also join me on my Instagram and my Facebook channel so you know when all of my amazing deals are coming out. So let's go ahead and get started. The very first thing we're picking up are one of these amazing stocking stuffers. I love to get these. These are either the LA Colors or the Wet n Wild sets, the makeup sets. This is so cute. This is new. I've not seen this where they put the little gemstones in there for the set. But these $5.99 sets are going to give you back a $4 in extra care bucks. So it's going to make each one of these sets just $1.99. My store has the mascara set, the nail set. Sometimes they have the lip gloss set. So I'm going to pick up this one this time because this one in particular has the eyeliner, the primer, mascara, all in it. So yeah, going to be about $2, $1.99 after receiving the $4 in extra care bucks after you pay for it. Check your store for just random beauty care items. I've seen a couple of these 50% off tags, and these of course are things that we do not get coupons for. My daughter goes through these. She uses them to wash her face, but these are usually $4.29. They are the one and other cotton rounds, so they're pretty nice, and they'll be just $2.14 each. And I do believe even though it is on clearance, it should go with our beauty program, so go ahead and pick these up. So I always check out the cereal aisle because cereal is so great at CVS, and I do usually get the General Mills cereals, and we usually pay about $1.50. If you look at that price, those are $7 per box, so that's insane to me. Now, usually we do not see deals on the Post cereal, so you got the Fruity Pebbles, Cocoa Pebbles, any of the Posts. I think that's all they've got. Oh, they've got the Honey Bunches of Oats for $1.99. So that's a really great deal. My daughter does like Fruity Pebbles, and we usually don't get coupons for this, and we don't have any IBOTTA rebates. So these will just be $1.99. I am going to pick up a box of these because they are so inexpensive. They're usually $6.29 each. So always, always, always check your cereal aisle at your pharmacy, CVS, Walgreens, because that's where the great cereal deals are. So this is not any kind of special deal. You're going to get these. They're $12.79, but they'll be $9.99 with the sale, and then they are, when you buy them, you'll get back $5 in extra care bucks. The reason I'm not super excited about this deal or anything, there's no coupon, so it's going to be $5. So they're $10, get back to $5. But I am actually trying to get up a lot of razors for my local homeless shelter because they do not have any razors. And this is only $5, and this is a pretty nice razor, and it already has the moisture bar around it. So they don't need shaving cream or anything like that. So these are going down from $12.79 to $5. And they would truly appreciate these razors. So I will be doing a little drive for razors later on, and I will let you guys know later on about how you can support this shelter near us with donating razors. So stay tuned to that. So this is probably my favorite deal of the day. Like I said, I am trying to collect razors for our local homeless shelter. They are in need. These are usually $9.49 each. You don't have to get the Gillette Mach 3. You can get the Venus razor if you want. These are going to be on sale for $7.99. There is a $3 digital coupon on the CVS app. That's going to bring our total down to $4.99 after the, make sure I've got this right. Sorry, $4.99 after the $3 digital. And then we have a $3 extra care buck that's going to print off for us, so we'll be able to use that in our next transaction. It's going to make these just $1.99 after the digital coupon and the extra care bucks. Next, but it's going to be a total freebie. These Colgate toothpaste are 2 for $7.98. They're usually $4.39 each. We have a $1 coupon on the coupons.com app. So this is a digital coupon deal, no paper coupons needed. And then we're going to get back $7 in extra care bucks. That's a high value extra care bucks This deal can be done up to 2 times per household, so you can get more if you want, but this will be a total freebie after the $7 in extra care bucks and the $1 coupon from the coupons app. So this time of the year is always the time of the year that I stock up on all of the appliances with Conair. Now, they do have some that are really nice. They're $20 and you'll get back $10 in extra care bucks. It's going to be the titanium one, curling one. They have the double one there. So these are all super nice. This is a straightener. Spend $20, get back $10 in extra care bucks. But what I usually do is, even they have this brush one. That brush one is nice. It has actually 2 pieces to it there. What I usually do is I'll get these for $10 and then get back $5 in extra care bucks. So it makes them only $5, but they have just different kinds that you can get. They've got the bigger 1-inch, 3/4 inch irons. They have this one for tight curls there. That's going to be $5. This is a brush one to kind of curl. It blows out, I believe. Then they have the blow dryers here at the bottom. That one's $10, getting back $5 in extra care buck. So it'd be a pretty good deal to give, a young person, a teenager, if they are in need of items like this. But yeah, $5 for this is a pretty decent deal. So I just noticed this after I finished filming, but this one is actually the razor, and these are $10. They're usually $14.49, getting back $5 in extra care bucks. I actually need this. I actually need this, so I'm going ahead and picking this up. In addition to that, if you don't want to get this is a spot mirror. I don't know what this is for. It's a 12 times magnifying spot mirror. I'm assuming that's for like when you're tweezing or whatever. You can put it on your mirror and it lights up so you can see a little bit better. So if you are in need of something like that as well. But I'm gonna go ahead and pick up this razor. It's only $5 after the extra care bucks.